what's up everyone? I'm Masaki. I'm shooting video from France. Today I'm going to make sashimi plate with a fish I caught this morning. This is barracuda. This fish is forbidden to eat in Japan, but not in France. Okay, before cut the barracuda, I need to clean the fish first. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, everything is set up. Let's cut up some vegetable first. Today we have a turnip, lime, lemon, and some sesame leaves. I've got a cool idea for making garnish. I will show you one. Peel turnip, slice it up. Okay, now let's make a fillet barracuda. Alright, so it's ready to cut. First, I'm going to cut off the head. Okay, now the head is off, so I'm going to cut in fillet. Can you look at the beautiful meat right here? one fillet is ready. Okay, now the barracuda fillet is done. Now I'm gonna take off one fillet of the skin from the tail side. For the other one, I'm gonna keep the skin on. Okay, now let's slice in sashimi. Barracuda sashimi is beautifully done. Okay, table is ready. Time for tasting. Today I chose sake. I don't know which brand this is, but it's quite cheap and I found it at the Asian store. And it says it's from Japan. Guys, sashimi is ready. Today I'm gonna have it with soy sauce and the salt and lime. Actually, this is my first time eating barracuda, so I'm really looking forward to it. Then let's try it with the one with the skin. It got a plain and simple taste. It's not fishy at all. It has good umami inside. I think it's gonna perfectly match with the sake. Wow. This is outstanding. Okay, now let's try salt and the lime. Oh my goodness, this is actually better than soy sauce. I can feel the flavor of lime and the saltiness. This is really perfect match to barracuda. And the sake again. This is my first time eating barracuda, but it tastes really good. Let's have another piece. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm quite surprised that the barracuda is such a great fish. If you catch a barracuda, you can make sashimi, but please make sure if it's edible in your place, but it's worth to eat it. I hope you liked my video. If you did, please subscribe and comment below on my channel to support. Thank you very much. I will see you guys soon. また、じゃあね。